I love massage guns. They really are a great tool for recovery. Especially if you do loads of exercise like I do. One of the problems though is the size. I mean, look at the size of this Theragun, and it weighs a lot too. Now, that's fine if you always plan to use it in your home. But you might want to take yours to the gym with you. And, well, these are a little bit too big to carry in your gym bag, in my opinion. Enter the Bob & Brad Q2 mini massage gun. This thing can literally fit in your pocket. Just maybe don't plan on wearing your skinny jeans. Being such a small massage gun, you might be wondering if that's going to be powerful enough. And well, it completely depends on you and what you're looking for. See, for me, I love a heavy and strong massage gun on my back and the back of my legs. And well, this Q2 mini massage gun really isn't powerful enough for me on these parts of my back. But my wife can't stand the heavier massage guns. She just doesn't have the pain tolerance that I do. And so she loves this Q2 mini massage gun. It's absolutely perfect for her. And even though I said that this isn't hard enough for my back, I still absolutely love it. Because if I want to massage pretty much anywhere else on my body, like my neck and shoulders, or my chest, or my biceps or forearms, this is absolutely perfect because I don't actually need full power for these more sensitive areas of my body. And this mini massage gun not only has more than enough power for these areas, but the small size of it makes it way easier to use. These bigger and bulkier massage guns are just too big to use easily on these areas of my body. And then of course, there's the price tag. Now, this Theragun Pro costs $899 in Australia. And as much as I love it, I'd only buy one if I was, well, a lot more wealthy than I am now. This Q2 mini massage gun is only $109 on Amazon, which makes it a really good alternative. I've got a link in the description of this video if you want to go and grab one. If you're looking for something a little bit bigger, check out my review of the Bob & Brad C2 massage gun, the next model up. If you just click or tap the screen there, you can check that review out, and I'll see you in that next video.